Hi, it's Jen from My Scrap Menagerie. Meet Seamus, the naughty gnome we're going to be sublimating onto a mug today. He also comes with a fun quote that's perfect for St. Paddy's Day. Let's get started. The supplies you'll need are a Cricut Mug Press, a Sublimation mug blank, butcher paper, a lint roller, heat-resistant tape, heat-resistant gloves, a heat-resistant mat, and the SVG file for the naughty gnome. You can get the file for free on my blog at myscrapmenagerie.com/sub-naughty-gnome-mug. First, you're going to want to print out your design on sublimation paper with your sublimation printer. Once you've done that, you want to cut around the designs so you get rid of the excess paper. Let's turn our Cricut Mug Press on, and we're going to prepare our mug by running a lint roller all over it to get any little bits of dust off. Now, I'm going to put my design on. You're going to reverse it so you have the white side facing you. We're going to take some heat-resistant tape and tape it down snugly. You don't want any gaps or any wrinkles. You're also going to take the quote that we're going to put on the other side, kind of place it where you want it, and take some heat-resistant tape and tape that down nice and smooth against the mug. Now we're going to take a piece of butcher paper that's just the right height for the mug. We're going to wrap it around and put some heat-resistant tape on there. Put it on the one side, then pull tightly because you don't want any space at all, because it will affect the sublimation design when you're heating it. So let's just make sure we have it taped down really good. I'm just putting a bit of extra tape on the ends there to seal them down to the bottom of the mug and the top of the mug, because I don't want any corners flipping up accidentally. So there you go. It's all covered with our butcher paper. Now you see the green light on top of our mug press. That means it's ready. We're just going to slide our mug in. Make sure you've got your heat-resistant glove on. Make sure it's in there good and straight. We'll press the lever of the mug press down. Might be a little tough, but press it right down. You're going to notice these lights will all light up and it will beep once it's ready. Now that it's beeped, we're done. We can lift up the lever, take the mug out. Just be very careful because it's going to be extremely hot. And I'm just taking some tweezers just to get some of the tape off and start taking the butcher paper off of it and revealing the design. I could wait till it cooled down, but I thought, no, I want to see what it's like right now, so let's do it. So it's kind of finicky trying to take it off with tweezers, but I couldn't find my other heat-resistant gloves, so this is the way it's got to be. So we're just going to remove our sublimation paper. And there you go. The design is looking wonderful. What do you think? Now we'll take the other side off to reveal our little snarky naughty gnome Seamus. It is looking so bright and wonderful. Oh my God. And there's Seamus. Look at him, he's so cute. Now I'm not sure, I might put some glitter on later on his suit and his lip. Not sure. Anyway, here's the front of our mug and the back side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and click a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.